Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Suratan Kadihan. I'm from class B. Now I'm going to tell you about my story. The title is A Journey of Childhood Memories and Farewell with My Grandmother. I grew up in a small simple house filled with warmth. It's not a luxurious house, but for me as a child, that house was the most comfortable place that I feel. Even now, I still visit that old house every day. It's where I live with my grandmother. She wasn't just a caregiver or protector, but also my storyteller and the best teacher that I ever had. She was someone who meant so much to me. I lived with her since I was little because my parents were busy working. Every day with her was a, every day with her was a lesson and a memory that I will never forget. Uh, every afternoon, while waiting for my parents to come to pick me up, me and my grandma had a habit of sitting in front of the corridor house while telling a story. My grandma always had a story to share with me. There's one memory that I will never forget, which is during school holidays. My grandma always took me to the small garden in front of the house. The garden was full of plants that she took care by herself. That day, she invited me to clean the garden, and then she took me how to gardening like she always did. However, as the time passed, I began to realize that my grandmother growing weaker. A few days later, on Monday around 8 a.m., my grandma passed away. That time I was in school doing my semester exam. I didn't know that my grandmother was fast, but suddenly my sister came to my school to pick me up, and then she asked my teacher permission to let me go home. Uh, and then me and my sister hurried to go home to my grandma's house. When we arrived, I sat down and cried beside my grandma. I felt a depth of sense. The lesson that we can learn from my story is about that happiness doesn't always come from a big or luxurious thing, but also from a relationship and warmth that we create in everyday's life. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.